Hi guys, and welcome to the first ever review I'm going to be doing, and we're gonna review these chicken like KFC type of and it's from a place called Village End, and it's got many different things, but I've picked these chicken and cheesy spicy bites to review. So let's look at the chicken. Nice and crispy. You get the punch of the spiciness of the chicken in there. You know, it's very I mean, the chicken is very tender and juicy. And you know, and then if you have a look here, and it just says, you know, when the chicken is pulling away from the actual bone. You know, the crispiness as you chew down on it, it's I flipping like I get in a bit of very, like I say, I would say, I'll tell you what, my tongue's tingling, and then I mean, just I've just got to have another bite of this. It's unbelievable. Not over spicy, but I don't like spice, so I like spice, but if it's over spicy for me, I just like that cake. So, and these like cheesy, I think spicy bites. I think other than spicy today. I tell you what, the creaminess as you bite into it is, like I say, unbelievable. And you know, you get in, you like, it's every mouthful you want more and more. I mean, to me, it sounds like it's like a, I don't know, it's like Philadelphia cheese. I might be wrong, but it's more like when they've been made. It sounds like it's been made, but it's like on a softer cheese. And but very like I said, very nice. And you see, the coating is very hard to get. You need something to get you. It's like getting something to get your teeth round. And all I've got to say is, give it this. I can't give it at the moment. It's gonna be 8 to 9 out of 10. I'll never. But at the moment, 8 to 9 out of 10, because it's so. The chicken's not dry, and it's all but I got all this food for £8. So I just think it's a bargain. So if you want somewhere cheap that's not slightly overpriced, try this. And I will see you on the next one.